Hello and welcome to another Tunisian crochet tutorial. This tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the arrowhead stitch. So this stitch is worked over multiple of 2 stitches and it is 2 row pattern. So let's get right into it. We need to first chain multiples of 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then we do the standard foundation row. So we are going to be working into the back bumps of your chain stitches. Insert the hook under the loop, you yarn over and pull up a loop. And we are going to do this for every single of these chain stitches. Okay, all the way to our very first chain stitch. And then we are going to be working our standard return pass. Standard return pass is worked as chain 1, and then we are going to be yarning over and pulling through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, 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 all the way to the end, which is the beginning of your next row. So there you go. This was the foundation row, and now we are going to be working the first row of our 2 row repeat. So for the first row we are going to be working 2 Tunisian stitches together. So we need to work under the first and second vertical bars from right to left. We yarn over and pull up a loop, and then we yarn over and we do the same 2 Tunisian single stitches together, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over. And we do this for the next pair, pull up a loop, and then we are going to work the end stitch, so we can turn the fabric towards ourselves. And there you see 2 loops, one on the right, one on the left. So we are going to be working under both of these loops, yarn over and pull up a loop. There you go. So that's the last end stitch. Now for the return pass of this first row of our row repeat, we are going to be working standard return pass, so there's no change. So we're going to chain 1 and then yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so we are right back to the beginning, and now we are going to be starting our second row of the 2 row repeat. For the second row we need to start with 1 Tunisian simple stitch into the first vertical bar. So we are working under the first vertical bar from right to left, yarn over and pull up a loop. But now we are going to be working into this space here, and we are going to be working 1 Tunisian full stitch into the space right there. So that's where we actually did the yarn over in the previous row. So we are going to be working Tunisian full stitch. We are working from front to back with our hook, yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, so now we've got the next vertical bar, so we are going to be working 1 Tunisian simple stitch in here, and then we've got another one of these holes where the stitch is missing. So we are going to be working 1 Tunisian full stitch in there, and then the next Tunisian simple stitch into the next vertical bar, and we finish with a Tunisian full stitch, and then we are going to be working a end stitch into the very last stitch, which is the end stitch from the previous row. We yarn over and pull up a loop. Okay, and for the return pass for the second row of our 2-row repeat, we are going to be also working the standard return pass, so there's no change there. So we chain 1 and we yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 all the way to the end. Okay, so we are now at the beginning of our next row. So for this row we will repeat the first row of our 2-row repeat. So we will start again with the 2 Tunisian simple stitches together, followed by yarn over, and so on. So you will repeat the last 2 rows for the length of your project, and you will get a nice kind of lacy pattern, which would be very nice for some beautiful accessories, scarves, shawls, and so on, especially in combination with some other stitches. You'd create a beautiful lacy effect. So there you go, that's how you crochet the Tunisian Arrowhead Stitch. Again, it's a multiple of 2 stitches, and it is 2-row repeat. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, you learned something new. If you like the videos that I'm making, please share them with your friends, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching again, and see you in the next video. Bye.